Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the batteries on your Click remote or Mistral remote. This is for the air conditioner, guys, all right? So to change your batteries, simply just flip over your remote and just down the back here, you'll see that there is a little cover. So just pop this cover with your thumb, press down and just pop that out like that. And you'll see there that there is two AAA batteries. You can use something to pry this out. Otherwise, you can use a fingernail to just pop that out like that. And then once you have done that, just go and get the same batteries, which will be AAAs, okay? I'm going to link some batteries in the description on Amazon if you're interested. But once you put this in, you just swap this back and you just go push this back in this way. Make sure that this end here is against the springs, guys, okay? So positive faces up this way. And then on this side, positive faces down this way, okay? So just pop this in here like that. And just go pop, there you go. And then you grab your cover, pop your cover back here, sit that there like that. And then you just go click this back in, just like that. And that is how you change your batteries on a Click air conditioner remote or Mistral air conditioner remote, guys. Okay, thank you for watching and like the video if you don't mind. Peace out.